Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to secure your Facebook account from getting hacked. But first, I would like to ask that you kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you always be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video like this. And don't forget to like this video so more people can benefit from this video. Okay, so first, you need to make sure you have an internet connection and then open your Facebook app just like this. Here you click at the three lines by the top right corner and scroll down till you see settings and privacy. Just tap on it and here you click on settings. Okay, here you click on account center. Okay, you scroll down till you see password and security. Tap on password and security. Okay, here at security check, you can see login alert. Just tap on login alert. You're going to see your name. Just tap on your name. Here you're going to see in-app notifications. You're going to turn this on. If you sign up on your Facebook with your email account, you're going to see it here. You're also going to turn it on. So you always get notifications each time someone attempts or tries to log into your Facebook account without your permission. Okay, if you find this video helpful, like this video and hit the subscribe button below or click on the bell icon so you always be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video like this. See you in my next video, guys.